My name is Ryder Ripper. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video and comment down below and say lamp and I will subscribe to your channel. So yeah, that's it. So today I'm going to try and so I'll just tell you guys this at first. One of my cats hates the vacuum. Right? He doesn't even like it when it's not turned on. Yeah. When it's not turned on, he still is like hissing at it. So today I'm gonna try and scare him really bad. And we'll see how it goes. So I will be right. Boom. So apparently my mom won't let me use Baby Kitty for the test. So now I'm gonna use this guy, the Fatso. So I'm gonna need to use him and I will be right back. Boom. Alright, so I have this cat, Prince, it's his butt. So Prince of this guy, ready for the test. So I'm gonna try and test it out and see if he, see if he is scared of the vacuum. So I don't know if he's scared of the vacuum, so we'll see. Right. Yeah, he's scared of the vacuum. Alright. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he just hissed at it. Crud. Alright. Apparently, that was kind of it for today's video. I know it was pretty terrible, but make sure to subscribe, and I promise you guys I'll make way cooler videos than this. But for now, I'm just making this video because I haven't uploaded in a little while. So making this video so it can, Alright, so I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.